Open up your browser first and navigate to meet.google.com. This URL takes you straight away to Google Meet. You get two options here. If you want to initiate a new meeting, you can click on here, or if you have the code or a link that somebody else have given you, somebody else who have initiated a meeting and you just want to join, just paste that link or code here and then click on join. That's how you join a meeting initiated by somebody else. Now if you want to initiate a new meeting, click on new meeting and you get three options. You want to create a meeting for later, you can click on it. You get a code or a link, just click on this icon here. Now this is copied to the clipboard. Now you just paste Ctrl+V, paste it on your email body and send it to the participants. Now another method which I want to show you now is schedule in Google Calendar. Third option. Click on it. That will take you straight away to Google Calendar. Now enter the meeting details, meeting 1, set the date and time here accordingly. Okay, yeah, make sure you have set the time zone accordingly. If it's a recurring, you get options to customize here. If it's an all day meeting, check this box. Now depends on you if you want to add location and set notification every 30 minutes or every 15 minutes, depends on your needs. Now this is the field where you add the guest. So you can add guest here and separate it with a space. So if I want to add the next guest, the email ID of next guest, I just have to enter a space and then add the next. Great. Here you can set the guest permissions. Can the guest, or do you want the guest to modify this event details? Should they invite others? Will they be able to see all the guests, all those guests who are part of this meeting? I'll just leave it to the default. And once you're done here, if you want to enter the meeting details, you want to let the guests know what this meeting is about, you can enter a description. Once you're done, click on save. Would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guest? Yes. Click on send and you're done. So the meeting is scheduled here. Now for you to join the meeting, let me close this. Okay, let me close everything. If you want to go to Google Calendar, there is a shortcut URL, that's calendar. It's calendar.google.com. So if you reach this calendar and click on this schedule meeting, and when it's time for you to start your meeting, just click on this icon here, join with Google Meet, and that will launch the Google Meet. Now your video or audio is not broadcasted yet, so if you want to join this meeting and straight away to start this meeting, you can click on join now. Now before joining, if you want to set or change your backgrounds, right now I have blurred my background, but if you want to change the backgrounds, you can change by clicking on this icon, change background. And if you want to turn your video off, just click on this button here, video camera button. Camera is off now. If you want to turn it on, just click on it once again. If you want to turn off your mic, you can turn it off. Clicking it once again will turn it on. Also, you get options to check your audio and video here. And if you're all set, click on join now. So what you've seen before was just a preview, and now you have joined this meeting. I'll turn off the video here. Now we get a few options here. If you want to see who all have joined this meeting, you'll get here. You want to leave any message to the participants for them to see. Hi, welcome all to this event. Okay, so that this message will be sent to everyone's chat interface. And also, if you want to collaborate with somebody else on a whiteboard, you can use this option. We don't need that for the moment. And still, you get options to add more people if you think you have left out someone. Just enter their name or email address. Okay, click on add recipient and click on send email so that they get notified. Now this is called turn on captions. So what you speak will be displayed here. Pretty accurate, I guess. Not bad. Great. So right now I'll turn it off. And this is an important icon here which is called present now. Click on this. What do you want to present? Is it just a window or your entire screen or a tab? So if you click on your entire screen, as you could see here, whatever you open up on this computer, okay, click this and share. So whatever you open up on this computer will be shared to the participants. I'll just redo that once again. So click on present now and your entire screen and click on this window and click on the icon share, or click on that button share. So this is not an advisable method of screen sharing, since whatever you open up in your computer, the participants can see that. So the best advisable method, be specific. Share only what you want others to see. For that, let's say, for example, I just want to share a PowerPoint presentation, a PPT. So open that PowerPoint prior to you starting this meeting, prior to you clicking on this presenting button. So I have a PPT open up here which is not shared yet. So let me stop presenting this. Now I want to present only that PPT. So I click on present now and a window. Second option, click on this. Now I don't get that option to choose my PPT. What could be the problem? Problem is that PPT is minimized. So first of all, ensure that the PPT which you want to share is not minimized. Otherwise, this Google browser, this browser won't detect that window. So for that, just maximize this and just go back to our window, or let's say click cancel once again. So right now, as you can see, my PPT is maximized, it's not minimized. So I'm just going back to my browser or Google Meet, click on present now, and I choose the second option, which is a window. Now you can see that I get the option to choose my PPT. Click on it and share. Now, unlike in Teams, you don't get that red borderline or anything, but you get a confirmation down here at the bottom that meet.google.com is sharing a window. That's a confirmation. In Teams, it's different. You get a red borderline. So the benefit is that the participants see only what they are meant to see. So during a meeting presentation, maybe I want to open some other folders of files, but as long as my PowerPoint presentation is being shared, the participants' view will be only this PowerPoint. They won't be seeing any other window which I open up in my computer. And once you have done with the presentation, click on stop sharing. Back to my Google Meet window, clicking on these three dots gives me more option. I could change background, turn on caption, same options which we have seen before. Or if you want to change the layout, you could include more of them in a tile. If there are 16 participants, you can use the tile one, or you can get this slider to change the layout as the way you want, depending on the number of participants in a meeting. Okay, just close this. You also get an option here, down here at the bottom. Click on this arrow button And while you are in a meeting and someone is requesting for meeting link, you can copy it from here and paste it and send it to the participants via email. Or if you want to share this within the chat option, just copy and Control V, paste it and press enter. My experience with meeting with any platforms is that while you're in a meeting, it is very common that participants who were supposed to be in the meeting request for links. So I guess I've covered all the options that's available in Google Meet. So once you are done, just click on the leave call button here. Press this button to end this meeting. Now let's return to home screen. Click on return to home screen. And so we have seen how you could schedule a meeting in Google Calendar, but if you want to initiate an instant meeting, you need to choose the second option. So click on new meeting and start an instant meeting. This is a meeting where you haven't scheduled anything. So you were straight away directed to the meeting, and now you just need to add the participants. So this is the meeting link which you can copy and paste it in our email body and send it to the participants, or you can add the participants from here itself. Now click on this and send email. So there are different ways of alerting users about this meeting. The options are the same. All these options is the same as what we have seen before. Exact same interface. It is just the method of scheduling what differs. So hope you have enjoyed this demonstration. I'll be coming up with more videos soon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.